Welcome. If you're concerned about your privacy and want to stop Discord from collecting your data on mobile, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the updated steps to take control of your information and protect your privacy while using Discord on your phone. First, open the Discord app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look at the bottom right corner of your screen and tap on your profile picture. This will take you straight to your user settings. Now, scroll down until you find the section labeled Data and Privacy. Go ahead and tap on it. This section is where Discord keeps all the important options related to how your data is used and managed. Inside the Data and Privacy menu, you'll see a list of settings. Look for the option that says Use Data to Improve Discord. This setting allows Discord to collect and use your data to enhance their services and features. If you'd rather keep your information private, it's a good idea to turn this off. To do that, simply toggle off the switch next to Use Data to Improve Discord. Once you've done this, Discord will stop using your data for product improvement purposes. It's a small change, but it can make a big difference in how much information you share. And that's it. You've now taken an important step toward protecting your privacy on Discord. Remember, it's always a good idea to review your privacy settings regularly, since apps can update their policies and features over time. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on keeping your digital life secure. Thanks for watching, and stay safe online.